everybody. It's been so long since I was able to do a video. I had so much going on with moving around and jobs and everything. And then something happened to my nails and you know, I'm barely ever on camera. I do everything with my hands. So I wasn't really wanting to do videos, but I have an unboxing that I've been wanting to do. I've had these products for a minute, but I haven't been on in a while. So I just wanted to show you guys that I have really got into making bracelets. And that is what I do a lot of the time. Let me go back so you can see them. I made this one last night by hand. As you can see, it's kind of rough, but it's okay. You know, this is going to be for me. These are going to be in my store, but I'm not finished with them yet. This is like a half bracelet, and the other half is probably going to be beads with I don't know what kind of stringing material, maybe elastic. And if I sound funny, it's because I have a cold amongst everything else I told you that happened. This is going to be just one that sits on your wrist, and I don't know about the stringing material. I'm not finished with it yet. This one is a cuff, one that I'm going to be keeping. I was trying to practice on this one. I think it came out really good, but I have some places where I didn't get all of the air out. You see there's an air bubble right there, and then the pattern stretched right here, which that, you know, just could be organic. I don't think this would keep me from selling it because it's not an issue. It just brings interest to it. But I need to perfect this little part where I put the inside in and bring it to the outside and make sure there's no air bubbles. But this is like a cuff bracelet too. And it fits real well. I like the way it fits. It's kind of tight on the wrist, but the good thing about this is that you can really adjust it by pulling on it just a tad bit and it will get looser. But I like this. I like this one a lot, and I need to remake it because for me it's a little too small. I would like this to come around and like meet maybe right here with just about the width of my thumb being open, but nevertheless it really did come out cute. And then I have this one that I made, and I have this one that I made, and this one is nice too. It's not meant to go all the way around. I have holes there, and I'm probably gonna put maybe ribbon through it, I was thinking, and bead the ribbon. But yes, that's what I have been doing a lot, learning how to make bracelets. This is another smaller version of the other one that came out really nicely. You saw that I went to meet one of my clay idols, Teresa Salgado, not too long ago. But I've been ordering from her forever. It wasn't just when I saw her. I've been ordering from her for a while from Tiny Pandora. That's her store. Here it is right here. Tiny Pandora is tinypandora.com. I've shared that website on a few more of my previous videos. She has a bangles making kit, and it's called an Easy Bangles Kit, and it has 3 sizes in it. She has some extras in here. What I ordered an official Tiny Pandora oven mitt, and that is this baby right here. I can put my hand in it to take my items out of the oven. I love that. I love her little logo person. It's just so cute. And I also ordered an elephant mini cutter, but she so sweetly put little extras in here, which I love. Look at that. I have a crystal heart. Look at that heart, and I love hearts. Look how sparkly it is. I have a dropper that I could use for other projects in here. She gave me some tweezers that I can use for projects in here. She gave me something I love, which is candy. I have a brush, which I can always use a new brush. This is, I can put clay on this, glue a little piece of clay, a clay flower, and use this for my work badge. She put that in there as a little extra for me. I have some earring findings, and they are my favorite color, and a block of clay. And I actually love this clay right here. It's like opal, but it has pieces of I don't even know what it is. I'm just gonna say glitter, but it's the big chunky kind of glitter, and they sparkle and take on the light when you move them. Gave me some these are just to make holes in projects. Like, they're too small for my bracelets, but they're just right for earrings. Like, if I make some earrings, I can go ahead and pre-cut the hole in it. That way I don't have to drill the hole to put the finding in. I can do that while the clay is unbaked. All this was a gift bag. Here's the little cute elephant cutter. It was in the bag with the bangles and I didn't see it, that I ordered. Isn't he cute, or she? Isn't she cute or he cute? I love this. Okay, that's my elephant cutter. And she also added in here, this is really nice. Let me get it out of here without cutting myself. A tool that will help me cut. Oh, she put my name on it back there, and she put Nana's Blings and Things. So this is a good tool that I can use to cut my clay and cut edges and everything. When I get the elephant in here, after I bake it, I can use this to go around these sharp edges in here. If I have any overhang, I can get it out real easy with this tool. This is the Easy Bangles kit. And I'm gonna put some videos up in the corner of this video so that you can see Teresa making and using these kits. And if you search Easy Bangles kits, there's probably more clay art creators out there that have purchased and used this kit. But what I love about it is it's see, this is the bigger bangle, and you put the clay around the outside and the inside, and it's a couple of baking processes that go in, but you can see this goes on my wrist, so it's going to come out to be a beautiful bangle. So it comes with these 4 whiffs of templates, and well, you have to take this off of them so that you can see the template. So you put each one of them on your clay and you cut them out, and after you get them cut out, after you bake your form up, you wrap your cutout clay from the biggest down to the smallest on top of each other around your bangle, and then you smooth down the sides, and you'll get a bangle that is like with this kind of roundness to it, but better, because I did this like by from scratch, I guess I'll say. I didn't have any template or anything. I was just trying to make my own bangle with this kind of thickness to it. But this is what you get, but a better process and a better shape of it using the Easy Bangles kit. And here are all my goodies from tinypandora.com. My elephant cutter, my template for my Easy Bangles, the kit here, and my oven mitt. If you want to purchase these items and more, because she has a lot more clay tools and just things to make beautiful projects with on her tinypandora.com store, and you also get the videos that go with the items you're purchasing on her YouTube channel. She always shows you how to use her merchandise, and that's what makes her so different from the rest. Not saying that all of them don't do that, but there are a lot of people out there that just sell, you know, clay tools because they know that they're good tools, but they don't necessarily also have YouTube channels to go with it, and Teresa does. So If you want any of this wonderful stuff that I have purchased here and showed you, please go to tinypandora.com. I can't wait to use this on camera and show you. And I'm going to just show you, you know, my first time using this. So if I make any errors, you're going to see them. If it comes out looking goofy, you're going to see that. But you know what? Practice makes perfect. I had to practice so much on making these bracelets to get down to what type of bracelet I wanted to make. I mean, it just all takes practice, and it's all fun while practicing. So again, if you want any of this to help you on your clay journey, to have more fun, if you want to make bangles to sell them, anything, just go to tinypandora.com and get this Easy Bangles kit, and I believe it's going to help me, and I believe it'll help you too. Alrighty, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.